Hello students, good morning. Welcome to the computer class. Last day you have got your unit test result also, and I hope all of you have done well. So I know all of you have faced some technical problem, but you have done it. That was this very good experience this is the first time experience for all of us, right? So it's okay, whatever you have got, that is not a factor. This one is the first time you have given online exam. That is very important, and I hope next time you can give better. Okay, so let's start today. Last day I have given you one homework, one question I have given you to do in C++, right? So this one I have given you example 1 I have explained, and this one I have given you that you have to write a C++ code program to enter the number, and you have to display whether the number is greater than 15 or less than 15. Okay, so this one you see the program, uh, int main, int I equals to 0. First I have initialized this I with the value. First from the main function this program starts. Now I is initialized with 0, and then it takes the input from the user. So C out, enter the number, it will display on the monitor. After that it will take the input from the user through the C in. Okay, now whatever the number you will enter, user will enter, that number will be checked over here through the if condition, if statement. Okay, so if the number, whatever the number is given, that is here, actually it will be it's okay. So whatever the number is input here, the number will be checked with 15. If it is greater than 15, then it will show it is greater than I is greater than 15, and if it is less than 15, then it will show it is smaller than 15. Okay, so this is the one small program. I think all of you have clear understood. So I am writing this in C++. You just see. Or you write, it will be better you write it. First you write in your copy, and this program you write in your computer and then execute. First you have to save this file, okay, then you execute this file after compilation. Okay, so it will be better you will do. I am just showing you how will you do that. First you open the Turbo C++ and then file, new. Okay, here you have to write the program. Okay, I am showing you this one, the same program I have written over here. This is the comment. C program to illustrate if statement has include our stream.h, int main I is equal to 0, initialized with 0, enter the number, and then this. Okay, and finally you have to close the curly braces. Now first you have to file and then save. Okay, and then you have to go through this project and then compile. So if there is no error, then it will show you success, and then okay, and then you have to go to the debug and then run. Okay, enter the number, whatever number you will enter here, suppose 67. Okay, and then press the enter key. So it will show I is greater than 15. Similarly, if you will give it here less than 15, then also it will show you. Okay, suppose I am giving here 3 and press the enter key, so I is smaller than 15. So this one is your program. Okay, now we will see the next program. Here you see create a C program that you can compile and execute in a program that can first list the numbers between 15 to 30. List the numbers between 15 to 30. So how will you do that? First, you have to either you can enter two numbers, but because here is given already 15 and 30, so you can initialize two numbers, two variables with 15 and 13, and you can display that numbers. Okay, so how will you do that? Let us see. Very simple. I have closed that. Okay, so here you can write the program from any program, just you here you first you write down hash include iostream.h. So this one will be the program. Hash include iostream.h int main for int I equals to 15, I less than equal to 30. This is the condition because you have to display the numbers between 15 and 30. So initialized the value of I with 15, and it will check the condition, that is less than 15, and after that, after displaying this, it will increase the value. Incrementation will be here. So the value of I equal to I. So first time it will show 15, okay, and then it will check that is it less than 30 or not. If it is less than 30, because it is less than 30, so it will show the value of I 15, and then I plus plus, that means it will increment by 1. So now it will be 16, and then again it will display the value of I 16, again plus I plus plus, that means I equal to 17. So again it will check 17 is less than or 30. If it is, then it will show. So in this way it will display from 15 to 30. So first you have to, after writing the program, first you have to click on the file and then save option, okay, and then you have to click on the project and then compile. If there is no error, it will come success, and then click on OK, go to the debug and then run. So it will display up to 15 to 30 numbers. Okay, so this one is the program for listing the numbers between 15 and 30. Okay, okay, so next question. C++ program to check whether the input number is even or odd. Okay, so whether the input number means the user will input the number, and that number will be checked, that is even or odd. Okay, that is very simple program. You just see here. Just wait. Yes, this one. First comment, then include iostream.h main function int I. So enter the number, so it will take the input from the user. Then C in I, if I modulo 2 double equal to 0. I modulo function means modulo is it will return the remainder. So I modulo 2, that means the number will be divided by 2 if it is equal to 0, that means what? That means even number. So if I modulo 2 double equals to 0, then the number will be even number, and if it is not equal to 0, suppose remainder will be 1 or 2, then the number, that means the number is odd number. Just for example, suppose you are giving 20, okay, so 20 will check 20 divided by 2, so remainder will be 0, that means it is an even number. But suppose you are giving 19, then 19 modulo 2, that means 19 divided by 2, remainder will be 1, right? So it will be odd number. So after writing this program, again you have to save the program and then you have to compile this program. Okay, so the program is okay, so that's why success is coming. Now click on OK and then click on debug and then run. So enter the number, any number you can enter. Suppose 7 I am entering, so the number is odd number. Okay, now suppose any other number I am giving, suppose 89, again it is odd number. Okay, so again I am doing this, debug, run. Suppose 678, so the number is even number. Okay, so in this way you can do the even and odd number. So all of you note down in your copy this program, and just one question I will give you as a homework, so you try to do that program. Okay, so before that, first you write down this. Okay, so let us see the next question. Yes, the question is display prime numbers from 1 to 100. So you have to write a C++ program to display the prime numbers. You just here you write down, write C++ program. Okay, so write a C++ program to display prime numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, prime number means what? The number will be divided by 1 and by itself. Okay, so just for example 29, so that is a prime number because it's divided by only by that number only, divided by 29 only, so that is a prime number. Similarly 17, that is also prime number because it can divide only by 17. So you have to find out the numbers, prime numbers between 1 to 100. Okay, so try to do that. Next day I will tell you the answer. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.